Hello there. Continuing on with the AC clutch removal. I was able to remove this clutch, the cover, and the clutch itself, but I won't be able to take it out because I don't have enough space to take this wheel out without removing the whole thing. So what I decided to do is just remove the whole unit out from the top, and I unscrewed the wiring harness, the refrigerant lines, and now I first did it. It has 4 bolts. They are 12 millimeter. I did the top bolts first, coming from the top, and then the bottom I had to take out this splash cover from underneath and get a wrench like this right here from the bottom for the bottom bolts. Okay, so here's the view from the top. You have to take out the alternator that was here, and there's a bracket that was here. Take out the wiring harness and the refrigerant lines. I put a cap on the refrigerant lines. All right, we'll see if this comes off easily. Let's see here. There you go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, it seems like it's leaking too. So I'm just gonna replace the whole compressor. So I was having a hard time taking it out. This was pointing up, so I flipped it down and was able to take it out. Bye. So I'm in the process of installing the new compressor on this 2008 Civic. I already put in 1 bolt. I attached the harness brackets. What I did first though is, this is the old compressor, is I poured out the oil and then I measured how much was in there, and then the new compressor has got some oil in there already. It was about like 80 millimeters, so I put back the same amount that and a little bit more, because I spilled some oil from the old one. So basically whatever it came out of the old one, I put back the same amount to the new compressor. And then I'm gonna crisscross, putting the bolts and tightening them alternately. Hook up the refrigerant lines and vacuum the system out, then put a Freon in and test it out. Bye. Alright, all done. There's the new compressor right there. All hooked up. Let me crank it up.